heart of downtown West Palm Beach with man of God, Apostle Ronald
A new day has come for you. Something happened to her. Something happened to this woman. Exactly. What did you notice? Did you hear that? Explain to them what she said.
She had an issue where the walls of her uterus was coming out. When she would go to the bathroom, she would see it. So when we went to check in the restroom, it was all the way back up to its original position.
Do you know what that means? Come here. Take the microphone. Come here. Now I want you to stand up and hear what she's saying. Please. Because can you talk? They don't know medication.
She had an issue where her uterus and the parts of her vagina that were down, they were coming down. When she would go to the bathroom, she could see it. So she told me the only way that she would know is if she went to go to the bathroom to see when she went to go pee. So we went to check and she said everything was up. Back to its original.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? That is the God that I'm talking about. He's a miracle working God. Lift your hands up and begin to bless him. Lift your hands up and begin to bless him. His glory is here. His glory is here. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
powerful and signs, wonders, and miracles taking place.
Fear is not a factor when the glory is present.
For more information, visit powerevangelism.net or go to our special link, 2nightsofmiracles.com. Read mission.